Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Matt over here. Wanted to shoot a quick Exynox Scalper review. I've been getting a lot of you guys have already seen a couple of these initial videos I shot. Wanted a little bit more time just kind of testing it out, tweaking some things, seeing if there's ways to really stay out of the choppy period. But what I want to do in this video is actually just show you real trades. I think that's one of the best ways to understand if a system is going to make sense for your trading style, or if some sort of strategy is going to make sense for your trading style. And one of the things that I found that's a good tip, if you guys already got this system, is really not to chase trades, right? If you take a loss, just take a loss, move on, and go to the next pair, because there's plenty of opportunities throughout the day. I highly recommend you trade at the open of New York session or open of London session, because that's when the pairs are going to have the highest volatility and they're going to move. And there are going to be times that you get caught in a range, and this doesn't do good in ranging markets, right? So that's why I highly advise you don't chase trades. And I'll show you what I mean. I look at a few different pairs. These are probably my top 5 pairs up here in the top left. So EJ, EU, GU, GJ, UC, and gold. It works on anything on MT4, anything from the minute to the 30 minute, which is great for scalping. It does have push notifications, sound notifications. It could send text to your phone through the MT4 app, as well as email. But if you're trying to get emails, it's going to be way too slow. You're going to miss the trade. If this does make sense and it looks like something you guys want to test out for yourself, I'll drop the link in the description. You can go buy it, download it. It's an instant download. You can start trading with it as soon as today. But let's just look at a couple different pairs. EJ is actually a good example of a trade that you would have just lost on. The blue box just represents the New York session, so it's real easy for you to see. You would have came in here. You would have bought probably here. You got the buy signal here. Had a nice little pullback. You guys can wait for the pullback too if you want. Be more conservative. Get a better entry. Better risk to reward. I would have just put my stop down here. And I would have been going for, what was that, 24 pips. You're going for about 24. So you're going for right here. But this just turned around on you, right? You got the sell signal here. So you're not even going to take a full loss. So it's not a full loss. But I would just exit the trade. But instead of taking the sell, you see how price just bounced right back and actually went in your original direction. This is what I recommend. You take the loss. It's a minimal loss, not even a full loss. And you just move on. Just don't try to trade this pair anymore, because you have more than enough opportunities. This is EU. Same trade. Come in here. You're in the buy zone right around here. This would have been the signal. You actually could have got a better entry on the pullback. If you put a 40 pip stop, I mean, it's going, you got it actually gives you signals for optimal exits right here. So it would have been like right in this area, you're about 48 pips. I suggest starting out, just go 1-to-1. So if you got a 40 pip stop, take your profit at 40 pips. Do a couple of these 1-to-1s, hit your goal for the week, and then you could start letting some of these things ride. 2-to-1, 3-to-1, even as far as just moving your stop to break even and waiting for these optimal exit signals. So you see this weird little target or whatever that is. That's an optimal exit, right? Let's check out a couple other pairs real fast. This is GU, and all these pairs worked. So you could see we took it, what did we take? A 15 pip loss on EJ. You just got 40 pips on EU. This thing is almost, it hit 100. Your optimal exit came in at 92 pips. Your stop would have been down here 67, so you could have got 67 pips. Real easy to snag some good movers here. This is an example. This would have been a little early. You had to get in around, I think this is around 6 o'clock. This is on the 5-minute time frame, by the way. Guess I should have told you that earlier. It's probably my favorite time frame to trade this system. But again, 50 pips. Could have easily got your 1-to-1 there. And then you see just triggered the optimal exit right around 69 pips. So again, you got your 1-to-1 here. See what gold did today. Gold didn't really go anywhere. Had you got, I think this is like the London session right there, smash down 400 pips. Really hasn't gone. Went about 45 pips. You're looking for about 100. You might have just taken a small loss here had you exited. So it's about a half a loss basically. Some of these other trades, some of these other pairs do work really well. You just need to find trades or find pairs that move. I'll just scan a couple more. Again, this is on the 5-minute time frame. I find that to just be my favorite. It works really good on the 1 minute. The 15 and 30 can get kind of choppy. So I prefer to get in and out. You know, grab my 1-to-1 and grab your profits and be done. Just take a quick look at Bitcoin because it's just crushing lately. But you can see you get these things on the way down. Caught that nice move. And then on the way back up, caught that as well. I'll just zoom out a little bit. You can kind of get an idea during the sessions. Any of these would have been spectacular trades, but I don't trade Bitcoin. But if you do, works on Bitcoin. That's really it. If you have any questions with the system, I mean, it is a super easy, it's just a buy sell. So it's really perfect if you're brand new to trading and just need a simple way to enter and exit trades. Or if you're just struggling with consistency, right? My recommendation, only follow a few pairs. You know, I wouldn't try to trade any more than 3 pairs or be in 3 trades at a time. You know, you watch 6 pairs, you'll get trades every single day. Between, you know, the hours of 6 and 9, you can easily enter a handful of trades, take your profits, get out. Don't chase your trades. So if you lose, just move on with the pair, take the loss. It's okay. It's better than going loss, 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 right? But if you get this, let me know how it works out for you. If you have any questions, hit me up in the Facebook group. I'll also drop the link to that in the description. So it's a free group. Have over like 5,000 members now. A lot of you watching this video might already be in that group. And if you have any questions, just hit me up. Otherwise, happy holidays. I might shoot a couple more videos taking the family skiing. So hopefully you guys have a great close to your year. Happy trading, and let's just crush next year. All right, bye.